Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can edit saved Google passwords. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to Access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Finally, click on one of your added ones that you wish to edit, in my case Facebook. Enter your current login method and select Edit next to Delete. Then change wherever you wish to. And when you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!